One of the most unique and pedagogically beneficial features of Charter Course charts are the analytic decision trees that we call guideposts. In this video, I'll show you how to build them. Choose the node that you want to attach a guidepost to, and then click Edit Node. And click on Add New Content, and click on Guidepost. Name your guidepost for the analysis that you're about to perform. This decision tree will help us analyze whether a taking has occurred. You'll notice that structurally your guidepost resembles your chart itself, except that this time, rather than nesting concepts within each other, we'll be posing a series of questions necessary for the analysis of any particular concept. The first node, after the title node, should be the first question that you would ask in your analysis. For example, the first question in a takings analysis might be simply whether or not a government entity has exercised its condemnation powers formally. Now, as children to that question, we want to prompt the students to ask the next question. So, if yes, what should we ask next? And if no, what should we ask next? And now we'll create children to both of those questions. In this instance, our analysis stops. There's nothing left to ask. But if we'd gotten a no, we have more questions to ask. And this is where this can be an incredibly powerful teaching tool. What I like to do is project on the screens in back of me in class this very process and ask the class to collaborate with me in building the guidepost. It becomes an exercise in case synthesis, during which the students pull from the body of case law that we've been studying the critical questions they'll need to answer in order to apply the concept we've been working on. You can continue over multiple classes to refine your guidepost with your students' participation. At the end of each session in which you're building the guidepost, when you hit save, it will appear in that state in the students' charts, and you can come back to it and revise it with them more in the future. So let's enter the next question. A student has suggested the next question is whether a government entity or quasi-government entity has permanently occupied physical space. Just getting the students to ask that question requires a robust understanding of what we've been studying. Of course, we follow our question with more questions. One of the real beauties of this is that it emphasizes to the students that we are not there to teach them answers. We're there to teach them questions. And that's exactly what we're prompting them to do as we build our guideposts. And you can continue in this way indefinitely. There's no space limitation. When your process is complete, or as complete as it's going to be for any particular day, click Save, and we can click on View Content, and you'll see that the guidepost displays vertically rather than horizontally. But other than that, it's exactly as we've built it.